Hey guys, it's Dylan. I wanted to come back and show you guys what I got today at Walgreens. There's not too much going on as far as I know of, but I wanted to get in on this razor deal because I had Happy Cash from last week, which was $10 off of 30. I have several of those just because of the Mucinex that we were doing last week. So, anyways, to get right into it, so what I did is I had several of the $5 registry rewards from the Shots energy thing, the registry reward deal last week. So I rolled that into these Viprino um, things by Zantac, whoever. I got three of those, so I just rolled. That was easy, there because these are on sale for five. Get a $5 registry reward. So I did that three times here. So that was just an easy roll. And then what I did here is the razors were two separate transactions. We just got the $10 off if you buy the cartridges and the razor in the same transaction. The coupon does say that you cannot use disposable. It cannot be used on the disposables here. So these are the actual razors, and so Walgreens has a deal right now where if you spend $20, you'll get 5,000 points. So I wrote this scenario out because whenever we have any coupon that is a certain amount off of a certain amount, we'll get the $2 off of 12, 5 off of 20 Catalina sometimes, with the Jingle Cash, a certain amount off. Well, the Happy Cash is $10 off of 30. You have to be careful with those because what it does with Walgreens, it doesn't just, when you use that on a transaction, even though you hit $30, what it does is it doesn't just take $10 off, it actually discounts each item within the transaction by a certain percentage. So when you with the razors here, when it was spend 20 get 5,000 points, you have to be careful because what will happen is it'll discount that. So if you don't get the right amount, it'll end up where you don't hit the $20 threshold and you won't get your points. So I saw some people talking about that online today. It is rather convoluted to explain out. There is like a math equation that I'll probably do another video on just to explain. But here's how it worked out. Here's what I did. Let's see, I did a couple of different scenarios here. So the Schick razors, the cartridges, I got the sensitive ones, which are more expensive. They're $14.49. They're also on sale this week. You buy one get one half off. So $14.49 and then half off is $7.24. And the actual razors were $11.49 at my store, and so half would be $5.74. So what I did is I put up the blades first because I wanted it to be half off of one of the cartridges. So $14.49, then half off of a cartridge. And then these are the razors, $11.49, half off of a razor. Got me $38.96. So I could obviously use my Happy Cash because it's over $30. So I used my $10 in Happy Cash. I used two of those manufacturer coupons, and I used a $5 registry reward. I will say this, these manufacturer coupons I think only attached to one item because I had no problem using a registry reward here. So you pay $3.96, you get 5,000 points back, which is a pretty cool deal. $3.96 because basically I used a $5 registry reward, got 5,000 points back. So roughly $3.96 for 2 packs of cartridges and 2 razors, not bad at all. There is another, that was with the sensitive, which are more expensive. Here's another scenario that I came up with, and this one is if you can find all these in one store. My stores don't really keep that stocked up on them. Sorry, my phone is not focusing. So here's another scenario. Buy 4 of the cartridges, 4 of the razors, which will get you to $70.42. You use a $10 Happy Cash. You can only use one Happy Cash in a transaction. So use a Happy Cash and then use 4 of those manufacturer coupons. You'll pay $20.42, but you'll get back 15,000 points. Because for every $20 that you spend, you get 5,000 points back. So $5.42 for 4 packs of cartridges, 4 razors, which ends up being about 68 cents each, which is very, very awesome because these are $14.49 here, so to pay 68 cents for that would be really awesome. So yeah, real small. I did end up paying a little out of pocket for the $3.96 because I didn't have any smaller registry rewards. I only had the $5 ones. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. I'll probably do another video on how the Happy Cash affects your spend 20, get something back, how those affect, just because that's always an issue whenever we have these up with people not getting points. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. Okay, bye.